Welcome to the Vital PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add emergency numbers to the Vital PBX phone system. To start, log in to Vital PBX. Select the PBX icon, then click on the Emergency Calls tab. After that, press Emergency Numbers from the drop-down. Enter a description to help identify the list of emergency numbers. Add the email addresses that will receive notifications when any of the emergency numbers defined here are dialed. Add the SIP trunks that will be used in case of an emergency call by selecting the icon next to it. Drag and drop the SIP trunks from here, then click on Accept when you're finished. Enter 911 as the first emergency number. Then enter Police, Firefighters, Ambulance as the service name. Click on Add to enter the next phone number. Enter 922, then enter Test 911 as the service name. Click on Add to enter the last phone number. Enter 988, then enter Suicide and Crisis Lifeline as the service name. Click on Save when you're done adding all the emergency numbers, then reload Vital PBX to finalize your changes. Congratulations! You've successfully added emergency numbers to Vital PBX. Check back for more useful videos on Vital PBX as we're frequently publishing new content.